guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have curled my hair because I'll be creating 6 open hairstyles which looks perfect for curly hair. So for the first hairstyle, I'm middle parting my hair and take equal portions of my hairs from the front section and twist them inwards to the crown section. And then I'm going to secure this with a hairpin. Here I am pulling some hair from the front section to make it more voluminized, and here I am securing this with a fancy golden pin. You can use any. And this is the first hairstyle. Now for the second hairstyle, I am side parting my hair from the arch of my brows, and I am taking hair strands from the left side where I have the small hair portions, and here I am twisting my hair strands like this way and creating a side puff, and I am going to secure this with same kind of golden hair pin, and here I am using 2 clips just to make it more normal and beautiful. And that's it. That's the second hairstyle. Now for hairstyle 3, I'm taking some hair strands from the crown section, and I'm going to twist them each with each other like so. This is how you can create a rope braid, and now I'm going to tie this rope braid at the back with the same kind of golden clip. And now I'm taking 2 hair strands. Again I'm going to twist them with each other and going to create a rope braid. And going to tie this rope braid exactly beneath the first one. And for the other half, I'm taking all the hair and divide them into 2 equal parts and twisting them with each other and tying the rope braid at the back just like the previous ones. And that's it. That's the third hairstyle. Now for hairstyle 4, I'm just leaving the left section. For the fourth hairstyle, I'm just unpinned the left side hair and released all the hair, and that's create a new and beautiful hairstyle. Now for the fifth hairstyle, I'm taking a section from the left side and twisting it inwards. And I'm secure this with a golden pin. And again I'm doing the exact same thing with some side twist. I'm taking a section hair from the right side and twisting it inwards. And I'm going to pull some hair strands from the front section to make it more voluminized and tie that hair rope at the back. Now for the last hairstyle, I'm going to take some hair strands from both of the sides and I'm going to twist each other like this way and creating a rope braid. And I'm going to place this rope braid along with the middle partition. I'm going to secure this with a bobby pin. Here I'm using a black normal bobby pin. And then I'm taking some hair from the front section again, and I'm going to twist this inwards, and I'm going to pull this from the front section, and I'm going to secure this with the same golden hairpin, and I'm doing the exact same process with the other side as well. So this is the video is all about. Please let me know which one is your favorite, and also take a moment to subscribe my channel and like this video, and also don't forget to share this with all of your friends and relatives. And I'm really sorry for my voice quality. I'm suffering from heavy fever and cough and cold. So yeah, that's it. See you till my next video.